Bom dia. Buenos dias. Grand Rising, Kaleidoscope Klan. How's everyone doing? This is Mariposa, and I am here in the stunning Chapada Diamantina Mountains. Just wanting to share a little of the peace and beauty with you as I talk. Isn't that lovely? Look at those mountains back there. This place is stunning. It's a meditation in and of itself. I just heard someone singing a native song. Very interesting. Very beautiful. It's kind of surreal. There she is. Nice. I won't film her because that would be disrespectful. But probably to hear her. Nice. Okay, so it's interesting. Look at this. This has been my daily walk since I've been here. I'm just sharing this because for those of you who haven't been in nature in some time, I want to encourage you to consider it. Nature is extremely healing. And with all of the craziness in the world, right, where you don't know what you can count on. You can't count on friends, family, your work, the government, the banks, the churches, right? But you can count on nature when they're not messing with it. Nature is ever present. Nature is ever willing to support you. No matter what your burdens are, nature can take it. If you want to go into nature and you want to talk it out, if you want to, share energy with a tree or a stone that's 1 billion years old, or the ocean. Who knows how old the ocean is, but it can always take whatever you need. It can always absorb it. It can always help you to transmute it. And don't believe them when they say there's not enough room on the planet for people. That's crazy. If you travel at all and you see how much land is uninhabited in the world, and I mean, I haven't seen all the land that's uninhabited, but I've seen enough to know that there's plenty of room for people in this world. We just need a change of perception and a change of, see the butterflies? There's so many butterflies here. A change of perception and a return back to the natural balance of things. So yeah, I'm not going to make this too long. I really just wanted to help you to feel the peace of this place. Yes. So yes, consider nature. It's a way to show love to yourself, is just to get into nature and let it do what it do. You hear the woman singing with her chickens and roosters? Look at that. Anyway, this is Mariposa Ma'at, reminding you to continue to embody your sacred transformation. And until next time, stay blessed. Peace.